The complete guide to overcoming jet lag while traveling and how to tackle it head-on. Jet lag is a common problem that many travelers face. It can be an unpleasant and exhausting experience, with the symptoms of jet lag ranging from mild to severe. The symptoms of jet lag can range from mild to severe, and it can be an unpleasant and exhausting experience. The most common symptoms are sleep disturbance, fatigue, headache, nausea, appetite changes and mood swings. Jet lag affects people the most when they travel on long-distance flights. It occurs when the brain's sleep-wake cycle is out of sync with the new time zone one has just traveled to. This often results in insomnia and other sleep problems, such as difficulty falling asleep, poor quality sleep, or excessive daytime sleepiness. Airlines advise travelers to turn their clocks back 1 hour as soon as they land to help their body's natural rhythms adjust to the new time zone more quickly than if they had stayed on local time. However, this is not always easy for some people due to the lack of daylight in many countries. The first night back can be a difficult one for some people because of all that traveling and stress. Flying from Western Europe into New York City at night requires a major adjustment for those used to going to bed in daylight hours. Jet lag usually lasts from 2 days up. How to tackle it head-on. Adapt quickly to your new time zone. Try to forget your old time zone as quickly as possible. Your technology will likely update clocks automatically, but if you have a manually set watch or travel clock, set those to the new time as soon as you depart. Manage sleep time. Make sure you sleep when it's most appropriate to your new schedule. Your flight may be in the air during your destination's nighttime, so try to log some sleep while airborne. Drink water. Long-distance travel may cause dehydration, and you may even reduce water consumption during travel to avoid bathroom breaks. Think again about this choice. Proper hydration may help manage jet lag symptoms and travel fatigue. Get some light. Jet lag interrupts your internal clock in part because your exposure to light changes when you travel and change time zones. Getting outside in the sunshine can wake up your body and reduce the release of melatonin hormones that make you sleepy. Drink a caffeinated beverage. Consuming caffeine won't cure jet lag, but it may be a tool to help you stay alert and focused during the daytime. Coffee, tea, soda, energy drinks, and even chocolate contain caffeine. Keep your sleeping space comfortable. Make sure that your sleeping arrangements while traveling are comfortable and facilitate proper sleep. Use medications. Talk to your doctor about whether sleep aids may help jet lag-induced insomnia. Sleep aids may help you get more rest during nighttime hours when you're still adjusting to your new location. Sleep aids may not decrease daytime jet lag symptoms. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video informative, then do hit that like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such informative videos.